Hello guys, you might all have heard about the great author George Orwell. In one of his novel, Animal Farm, he says that all animals are equal. But later he corrects that statement and says that some animals are more equal than others. We are talking about Indian polity. Among the multiple subjects we have to tackle on our civil service journey, the polity is some animal which is more equal than others. Because the polity plays a crucial role in your selection and election to the civil service. So the Gallant IAS is bringing a new crash course to tackle how to deal the polity for civil service examination. So let's look at the features of this course. Before that, we have to know one thing, that if the polity is out, then prelims is out. By looking the weightage of the civil service examination and polity, the polity shows a remarkable presence in the UPSC prelims question paper. In an average, starting from the 2013 to 2021, an average 15 questions is being asked from the syllabus of polity. And the last 2022 examination, 10 questions were asked from Indian polity. So in an era where the cutoff of the prelims stands in between 80 to 90s, this 15 into 2 marks is something more crucial for our selection for gaining a hall ticket to mains examination. When we go to the mains examination, about 150 marks question is asked from the polity part itself. This shows an impeccable position of the polity in both two standards. When we go to the interview stage of the examination, it's very clear that we should be aware about the legal evolutions and the legal dimensions for tackling the interviewers. In the future course of the civil servants, all you civil servants might be dealing about the legal issues and judgments, and these all functions or founds their evolution from the foundation of the polity itself. So when we look the importance of the polity at the both prelims, mains and interview level, there are some specified high yield areas in polity which you should master in order to gain a sufficient amount of the mark in polity. On finding out the analysis, we can find that about 4 to 5 questions are being asked from this great topic, fundamental rights, DPSP in preamble. Another most high yielding area is focusing upon other parts of the constitution where the elements like parliament, union executive and state executive is covered. So in the course which we are yet to commence, we will be dealing mostly on these high yield areas which will make a game changer in your future course of the examination. And all these polity fundamentals and the contemporary legal awareness will also be covered in the due course. So let's ponder how to deal with all the sources, because polity, the most of the candidates are struggling with multiple amount of sources. So when we classify the sources, we can find that NCERT is a die-hard must for polity, Lakshmikant also, and the recent current affairs. But at last, we have to deal with one thing, how to keep this simple and minimum. This is going to be answered by our course, because all three sources are very much important for the complete completion of the polity. But although these three topics need to be highly focused, so the Gallant provides a crash course where our approach will be to focus on the high yield areas where you will be rewarded maximum in both prelims and mains. Secondly, our course is endowed with the feature of having prelims cum mains notes, where you will be providing the notes which are dedicated for both prelims and mains. Thirdly, all the candidates who are struggling with polity always says about we are forgetting the articles, we are forgetting the dimensions, we are forgetting the concepts. So what we are bringing new here is the revision series. This revision series will encompass all the majority areas from where the questions are asked, from the due to the analysis of the PYQs. And next, to tackle the mains examination, we are conducting an answer writing workshop where we will be dealing about how to structure the questions, how to understand the demand of the questions. This will be dealing on the answer writing workshop dedicated for the GS2. And all these things will be covered in a time-bound manner, that is within a specified time period. So these are the features of the new course. All are welcome.